Students, today we will discuss about the population dynamics or population density. Okay, in population dynamics we will first discuss about population density, how you are able to measure population density in a given area. Okay, and what's about the natality and what is the mortality. Natality means birth rate or mortality means death rate. Okay, so population density is generally a density is the number of individual present in a per unit area. Means suppose if one example is that if number of animal per square kilometer, number of trees per area in a forest, number of planktonic organism per a cubic meter of water. If you discuss about aquatic ecosystem, that time in per cubic area, per cubic meter, how much individuals are present in aquatic bodies, that is known as, that can be measured in aquatic ecosystem. Are you getting my point? So how much number of individuals are present in a given area, that is only known as the population density. Okay, if suppose you represent total number of individual by capital N, number of space by space S, and then density can be D equal to N upon S, means space, area or number of individuals. By this formula you are able to get the population density. Okay, so space is indicated in two dimension. If you discuss about land area, so that time in land area it is two dimensional, but in case of aquatic bodies, population density or its area can be or three dimensional. Okay, so it's about the population density. I hope that much is clear. The next thing is related with birth rate or natality. The birth rate of a population refers to the number of young ones, how much number of young ones are produced or hatched in case of egg laying animals, how many individuals are hatched out or germination per unit time. Okay, per unit time, children. If suppose you discuss about the how many what is the natality rate in Uttarakhand, so and Uttarakhand, so suppose you want to identify the natality rate, that time how you measure in case of humans, that in 1,000 number of people, how many number of birth takes place. Okay, and generally the counting if counting done in July month, that time it is known as the crude birth rate. Okay, so generally the counting of the new ones or their birth, it counted generally in the month of July. Okay, so the actual birth rate under the existing condition is much less. It is termed as realized natality. Okay, if in a situation existing condition, if number of the number of birth rate is less, it is known as the realized natality. Okay, and natality, if natality increase, if number of birth increase, definitely it's a common sense that if more number of individual will get birth, so definitely it will increase the population size. Yes, if birth number is more, death number is less, that time the population will increase. If suppose death rate is more and birth rate is less, that time population size will decrease. Okay, so it's about the birth rate or natality. Or what is mortality? Mortality means death rate. Death rate of a population is the average number of individual that die per unit area. Generally we calculate it in 1 year, means in 1 year how many people gets to be died, or in the particular population, how many people or how many individual, how many organism in a given population, how many people get died. According to this only mortality rate can be given. Okay, children, so lowest death rate for a given species is most favorable condition is called potential mortality. If less death takes place, it is known as the potential mortality. If death rate being observed in existing condition, that time it is known as realized, which is real. Okay, so real death rate is known as the realized mortality. What is the crude death rate? If we count it in month of July, so that time it's known as the crude death rate. Or mortality decreases the population size and population density both. As I told you ना, natality, birth rate बढ़ेगा तो population density बढ़ेगी. If birth rate drops, that time population density also down. Okay, drop. Then if mortality rate increases, population density, it just irreversible. Okay, means are you getting my point? If death rate more, that time population density decreases. If death rate less, that time population density increases. Okay, so these are the both the mortality and natality, they are the vice versa if we discuss about population density. I hope these three terms are clear. So if you have any question in this, please send me. Thank you, children.